C3AI has rallied 100% since we first bought the stock, and we are looking to close our position before the $50 level as the earnings can crash the stock. It didn't even take one full day before our prediction on C3AI stock came true. The stock came crashing down from a high of $47.10 on May 31st to a low of $33.80. We're live in the stock market right now. What happened to C3AI? Unlike a lot of stock trading channels, I am not here to hype stocks. I am here to make you money. The sole purpose of this channel is to make you consistent profits in the stock market. If that means that we're not going to be hyping all of the stocks that other channels are hyping, such as muln, rgti, and AI, then that means that we're not going to be hyping those stocks, because ultimately you're here to make money and I'm here to help you make money. C3AI was a perfect short trade. Going short at the stock at $47 to $34 would net you a profit of $13 per share, which means that you would be able to pocket on 1,000 shares $13,000 profit in just one day, just by listening to the content of our video. Guys, if you want to make consistent profits, then the only way to do so is through a reasoned approach. I'm here to teach you that reasoned approach. And if you want my call outs, if you want to be able to trade with me, if you want me to mentor you to trade profitably and make stock predictions just like I do, find winning trades that short squeeze just like I do, get out of stocks before they crash and stop losing money just like I do, then click the link in the description, join the Discord. We are the #1 stock trading group for profits. We prevent traders from losing money and we help traders make money. Those are the two things that we do. If you lost money on AI stock or on TRKA stock or on GTII stock, then you're in the right place, because all of our traders came from a place of losing money consistently in the stock market. And finally, after watching my channel and after joining my Discord group, these traders are starting to see their profit and loss turn around. They're starting to see themselves win more and more profits in the stock market. They're seeing an increase in their trading accounts. And this kind of consistency is what leads us to be the leaders in the stock market trading groups. AI, what happened here? I want to give you guys a lesson in how hedge funds think and how hedge funds or institutional buyers affect the trend of the market. Hedge funds, otherwise known as institutions, are essentially market makers, okay? So let me write that down on the board here. Institutions are the ones who move the market, okay? If institutions are buying, if banks are buying, then a stock chart will do what? Move up, okay? This is how stocks go up. It's because institutional traders, people with big money, are buying the stock, all right? Now, what do institutions react to, or what makes an institution buy a stock? I'll give you a hint. It's not earnings, okay? It's not the actual value of a stock. It's not the fundamentals of a stock. And this is what I need you to understand, is that it's not the fundamentals of a stock that lead institutions to buy a stock. It is the excitement. It is the anticipation. It is the idea that the sky is the limit, right? It's the pumpers, okay? And we can take advantage of the pumpers. We can take advantage of those bad YouTube channels which get you to buy way too high. We can take advantage of their hype. All we have to do is ride up the trend as the anticipation and the emotion, okay? Ride the emotion coming up to a significant trading event or news event or earnings event, and then take profits, meaning sell our position before the event actually happens, okay? Now, you may have heard of the phrase, buy the rumor, sell the news, okay? this is not a do-all, be-all strategy. There's so much more that goes into trading than buy the rumor, sell the news. However, the whole idea behind buy the rumor, sell the news comes from institutions using the excitement that new investors have coming up to a significant trading event to push the stock up, where the institutions will then sell their stock. Okay, they'll sell their stock like AI at the top, while all of those traders who believe that AI stock will go to $100 are left holding the bag. Does that make sense? So the traders, the institutional traders, the banks, the market makers, they are selling their positions at $47, just like I asked you to. I'm trying to get you to trade like the banks. I'm trying to show you how to make consistent money in the stock market. And everything that I show you on this channel is designed to help you become a profitable trader. And if you do join my Discord group, you will become a profitable trader, because I'll have the chance to mentor you personally about how the stock market works, how to overcome your deficiencies, and everybody has them, whether it's greed, fear, uncertainty, lack of knowledge. Everyone has their weaknesses. And as a trading coach, my job is not only to show you what trades are going to make you money, but also to temper you, to build you into the most successful trader in the stock market that you can possibly be. And mark my words, that's exactly what you want. Because trading is a competition. There are winners and there are losers. The good traders will make money consistently. They'll make $15,000 in one day, just like Mr. 305 made selling at the top on AI. And the bad traders, they will lose money consistently. Bad traders who are waiting for AI to go to $100, they are losing money right now, as you see the AI stock chart, which we have pulled up right in front of us, sinking to $33 and lower. We need to be smart. We need to be good. We need to be consistent and brave, and all the qualities that make a good person also make a good trader. I want to help you not just be a good trader, but be a better person. A person who can withstand all of the rumors and hype and emotions that bad YouTube traders are throwing at you constantly. Join the Discord using the link in the description. I have 2 tiers to my mentorship. I have the free Discord and I have the pro Discord. The free Discord is available to everyone. You can join it for free by clicking the link in the description. If you DM me on Discord, my user tag is Coach Coda number 0001. I will invite you to the Pro Discord. The Pro Discord is where I show my trades every single trading day. I tell you where to buy. I tell you where to sell. I'll tell you when a stock is about to dump like AI, and I'll give you real-time warnings so you never have to trade alone again. I give you 3 callouts every single day in the Pro Discord. If you're not already part of the free Discord, make sure to join, check me out, vet me, watch my videos, see if anything that I'm telling you is making sense. And when you're ready, join the Pro Discord. It's $3.95 a month and it's worth every penny. I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a great day.
Are you still bag holding that meme stock? Waiting to break even? Have you lost too much money to sell? Stop trusting bad traders. You need Coach Coda, the essential stock trading coach. He's helped hundreds of traders just like you go from losing money in the stock market to placing successful trades. No more bag holding. If you have seen Coach's channel, you know how consistent he is at finding the rare trading opportunities before they happen. If you had Coach Coda by your side from day one, would you have lost your hard-earned money in the stock market? When you become a pro member, you get immediate access to Coach's exclusive trades every trading day. Rocket Trading Pro is so much more than trading signals. You get access to Coach's tight-knit inner circle. Imagine trading alongside a stock market genius. You will know when Coach is buying or selling a stock in his private Discord. You don't have to feel the fear and uncertainty of trading alone anymore. Coach will guide you every step of the way. While we can't promise you will make $1 million your first day, if you follow instructions, you will notice yourself winning more and more of your trades. Pro members are already earning with Rocket Trader Pro right now. Imagine yourself about to place a trade after losing $2,000 on your first trade and $4,000 on the stock Teddy Zane swore would go to the moon. A little scary, right? Now imagine Coach showing you exactly where he is buying or selling a stock while reassuring you of your probabilities of success. He has been trusted by hundreds of new and experienced traders for over 10 years, but you watch his channel. You already know how devoted Coach is to your success. How much money will you lose without your coach? You know you need this. Join now and make the greatest trade of your life.
You've worked with traders in the past who promised the world but gave you nothing. Is it time to work with someone with a consistent track record for success? You know there are cheaper trading memberships out there. But this is your money we are talking about. What is the use of paying less if you don't get the result you want?